Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up. I'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys, and few cards for what your person feels about this connection. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Cancer. Cancer, with these cards, I feel you are facing lots of challenges, guys. This may be in your work or in your personal life, lots of obstacles, resistance. This may be internal resistance. Okay, something you have based on your past experiences. You do not want to go in a particular way, and you may be uh, the reason for certain obstacles. uh, you may delay some actions, so some kind of delay, some kind of challenges are there, guys. So when you accept that you have what to say hit the dead end road, when you accept that you cannot overcome it, there will be a different clarity in your mind, guys, to resolve the situation. So you need to accept that you are not able to change anything today, guys, and you have to what to say trust the flow, how life leads you. Maybe for some of you all, you feel somebody is maybe someone is trying to help you or control you in your decisions, or you may take the counsel or advice of someone, some family member. You may be contacting them to take their advice regarding few things, guys, and that is the energy here, guys. And this may be regarding your relationship also. You may be up to certain challenges in your relationship, and you don't know what to do, and you may be taking counsel from your friends or family about this relationship, about your actions, what you need to do, and you are learning your lessons, guys. All the experiences that you are having now uh, is the way life helps us to learn our lessons, and how to change ourselves to become better every day, guys. So uh, some changes are coming within you, guys. Some emotional changes are happening, and you're definitely growing spiritually, guys. So that is the daily energy. Let us see what this person feels about you and this connection, Cancer. Choices. Cancer, this person feels really happy to be there with you, guys, and maybe these challenges are ending for you. Maybe if it is in this relationship, you are facing few challenges. Maybe now it's a time it is going to end, guys. Or if it is concerning your work, you're surely going to overcome that negative phase now, and you are building a safe and secure life for yourself. You have made up your mind, guys. You have made your choice, whatever it is. You have decided about your options, okay, what you need to take up in life, and about this person, what you need to do. So you are clearly what to say overcoming all the difficulties and the negative situations you had in your life, and you are entering into a positive, optimistic phase of your life, guys, and you're feeling really inspired, you're feeling confident, and that is the way you're feeling, and this person is feeling the same way about you guys. So um, what to say, some good news is coming your way, Cancer. Some good news is uh, heading towards you. uh, Something that will wipe out all this negativities from your life is happening today, guys. And you may be spiritually growing today. That is also the energy here, guys. So that is the daily reading, guys. So it may be your person who is bringing you good news, or uh, or someone who's bringing you good news, okay, regarding your work or your in your relationship, okay. Something good is coming towards you guys, Cancers. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today, guys. What is the angels guidance message today? What they want us to do? Be strong. So in order to face our day-to-day life, guys, we need to find that balance within ourselves for that compassion and understanding of any situation. So you need to be uh, in any situation, whatever challenges we face, we need to be compassionate enough to understand the person in that situation, and we need to support them, guys. Instead of giving instructions to them about how to deal, we need to be very supportive, and we need to try to understand the other person also, and we need to find that balance and harmony, guys, in any situation. So when you do that, we just what to say, we just open our hearts to more love and peace, guys. So you need to be courageous enough to let the other person also talk in any situation, and you need to let yourself to be more open to understanding, guys. From you should think of other person's point of view also. So when you do that, people will come to you to get counsel, and they will feel you are the strength in their life, guys. So this is the angels guidance message for you all, Cancer. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, Cancer.